Good morning, everyone. Hello, Nursultan. How are you? Can you all hear me? Can you all hear me? Can you all see me? Okay, nice. So, welcome back to school, and I hope you will enjoy today's lesson. So, I'll put the presentation right now. Okay. Hello, Amantur. So, today's lesson is going to be about school. It will be a revision lesson, okay? So we are going to talk about some vocabulary or some phrases related to school. So what will be aim of this lesson or objectives? So by the end of the lesson, you will be able to revise and consolidate your stock of vocabulary related to school and revise some verbs used to describe school activities. Okay, so guys, can you all see the presentation? Can you answer me, please? Yes? Okay, nice. So let's move on then. Please take a time and write down your homework. What will be your homework for the until the next lesson? So before the next lesson, so you need to do some workbook exercise on page 6, and I will also send you some exercise to your class, and you also need to learn new words and send me your homework to this email address. Please memorize or write down this email address. Can you see it? Okay. Can we start then? Denise, I understand, but you need to buy workbook in the bookstore, as we did last year, okay? We will talk about it a little later. So now let's get started then. Guys, at first, can you tell me what kind of subjects do you like at school, and what subjects are you good at school? Have you understood my question? What subjects do you like at school, and what subjects are you good at school? Okay, Nursultan likes math. Chingiz also likes math. Amir likes English. Nice. PE. Some of you like PE. Okay, let's check how well do you know some subjects. This is a quiz. Look at the questions, please. How many wives did King Henry VIII have? Can you write your answer, please? 6? 6. Okay, Sienna also gave the answer 6. Okay, let's check. Yes, guys, you're right. The answer is 6. Second question. What is the capital of Brazil? Yes, Nursultan, you're right. The answer is correct. Brazil, Brasilia, Rio. More answers? Please, can you write more answers? See, Brazil. Okay, let's check. Yes, Brasilia. Idina was right. Correct. Who wrote David Copperfield? Who wrote David Copperfield? Guys, we switch to the next question. Nursultan doesn't know the answer. Is there anyone who knows the answer? Who wrote David Copperfield? No answer. Okay, let's check together. Charles Dickens. Okay, now you will know the answer. Okay, next question. How many megabytes are there in the gigabytes? 1024. Emir, 1024. Alembek, 1024, 1000. Okay, let's check the answer. 1024. Excellent. Good job. Because most of you found the correct answers. Okay, the question number 5. Who developed the theory of relativity? Einstein. So, Albert Einstein. Okay. Yes, you're right. Albert Einstein. Correct. Next, what is 5 multiplied by 18 and divided by 4? Please, can you count, please? 22.5. Okay, let's check. Yes, 22.5. Excellent. 7, sorry. How many legs does an insect have? Do you know what does insect mean? This is an insect. You see, mosquitoes is insect. Spiders are insects. How many legs? 6, 8, 6. More answers? Could you give more answers? 9. Okay, let's check the answer. The answer is 6. Yes. Good job for those people who found the correct answer. Next, the last question. What is water made of? What is water made of? Okay, but can you give me the answer in English? But what do you call it? What do we call? Okay, let's check the answer. Hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen and oxygen. Yes, good. Well done, guys. Most of you found the correct answer, and I can say that you are really good at most of the subjects at school, right? Nice. So let's move on. As I told you before, we are going to repeat some words related to school and school subjects. Look at these pictures, and please, can you find the name of these subjects? Look at the first picture. She is in the laboratory and she is doing an experiment. What kind of subject it could be? Art? Okay, second, but we are talking about the first picture. Chemistry. Chemistry. Let's check. Yes, this is chemistry, you're right. So let's move on to the second picture. You see, she's holding what? Paints, brush. Probably she's going to draw. What is the name of this subject? Art. Yes, correct. It's art. So what about the third picture? You see, she's just what? She's eating probably different types of the food, and probably she's going to explain or just to tell about food. What is the name of the subject? Biology? No. Cooking. Yes, it's connected to cooking, but it has a different name. It has a completely different name. What kind of subject is it? Cooking. Yes, we don't have this type of the subject, but some Western or some European countries have this type of the subject at school. This is called nutrition. Nutrition. Just memorize, this is nutrition. Okay? And what about the fourth picture? What is it? Physics. Let's check. Yes, you're right. This is physics. Please, could you all repeat after me to practice the pronunciation of these words? The first, chemistry. Repeat after me. Chemistry. Chemistry. Art. Art. Nutrition. Nutrition. And physics. Physics. Okay? So let's move on. So we also have some other subjects, so please find again the names or guess the names. The first is biology. Nursultan thinks it's biology. Do other people also think in that way? Artem, you're writing in Russian. Change your language, please. Biology. Okay, let's check. No, this is science. Okay. Second picture. Second picture is not history. This is literature. Literature. Okay, the next one. What's the next lesson? What's the next subject? Astronomy. Yes, astronomy. And the next one? So we just learn or study about organs of the body of the human. What is it? Humanity. Anatomy. Yes, this is anatomy. Anatomy. Repeat after me, guys. Science. Science. Literature. Astronomy. Astronomy. Anatomy. Anatomy. Okay? So let's move on. We have more subjects here. What's the name of the first subject? What is it? Nursultan, you're writing in Russian. Can you change the language? Biology. Yes, you're right. This is biology. Next, what about the second picture? What subject is it? History. This is ancient art. Ancient art. Okay, next one. The person is working on computer. What subject is it? ICT. Yes, ICT, you're right. This is information and communication technology. Sometimes we call it just IT, yes, information technology, but ICT is also correct. IT and ICT. And what about the last subject? Geography. Yes, geography. You're right, Sanjar. This is geography. Okay, now we have taken some names of subjects, and let's do some exercises here using the subjects names and also some words related to school. So what do you need to do here? So you need to combine two words and make it one word. For example, look at the first picture. What do you see in the first picture? This is a laboratory. What kind of laboratory is it? This is a science laboratory. So what do you need to do? You have to combine one word in the box with another word and make it one word. So you have to combine two words to make a one word which has one meaning. Okay? Math notes could be, okay. Some other versions. Do you have some other word ideas? For example, French, teacher, yes. Classroom, okay. What else? Math exercise could be, yes. More? More? That's it? Okay, let's check. I have got here some answers and just check with your answers. Just compare. First, science class could be yes. Math exercise, say it was correct. French book, music teacher or music class, PE class, ICT room, and music notes. Music notes. Okay, did you all have the same answers? Yes, okay, Amir, good. Now, let's do some exercises to consolidate our today's vocabulary. First, this geography exercise or laboratory is easy. So what do you need to do? You have to choose one of these words. The first one, exercise. Yes, you're right. It is easy, yes. Aftan was correct. So second, I've got a list of verbs in my English history notes. Which one? History notes or English notes? English. Yes, correct. Hold on. She's in the music exercise or in the music room? Room. Yes, you're right. 4. I haven't got my math homework or room. First, homework. Yes, you're right. 5. They've got a big gymnasium for PE or geography classes. Which one? P. Yes, good job. You're right. 6. My French teacher or exam has got a good accent. Teacher, right? And the last one? It's on page 12 of your science exercise or book? Book. Yes, correct. Good. So this slide will be your homework. A little later, I will send this presentation to your WhatsApp groups, and please, you have to do it at home on your own. Since we have a little, excuse me. So since we have a little time, can you please look at these verbs related to school? To be expelled. What does it mean? You have to match with the meanings. To cheat, to fail, pass, revise, be punished, and take or do exam. First, be expelled. What's the answer? Is everyone here? A. Yes, to make someone leave a school. When can you be expelled from school? Yes, you're right. So when you do something bad at school, you can be expelled from school. Yes, it means you could be kicked out from school. Okay, cheat. What's the meaning of cheat? Is G. Yes, correct, Daria. Not Daria. So who was the person who gave the correct answer? Yes, Artyom. Yes, G. Okay, next. Fail. Fail. F. Yes, to be not able to pass an exam, right? Pass. What's the meaning of pass? F. A. Pass is to be able to do an exam successfully. Okay. Revise. Revise. What's the meaning of revise? D. Okay, this is C. To study a subject before you take a test. So revise is the synonym of the word repeat. Repeat the material. Okay. Okay, next one. To be punished. B. Yes, correct. And the last one, it is take or do to pass an exam. Yes, you're right. Okay. Now, let's complete this exercise very quick using one of these words. What is the first one? Discipline is very strict in our school. If children behave badly, for example, if they... Guys, are you here? If they cheat an exam, not fail, cheat, and they will probably... What's the next word? They will probably fail, expelled. But before expelled, what could be before expelled? This is fail. Achtan, yes, excellent. You probably be punished and might even, the last one is, after being punished, yes, be expelled, Nursultan, correct. Okay, the second one. Mark has to an important English exam next week. Take, revise, yes, this is take. And he hopes he will, but he hasn't had much time to what? Yes, pass. Good job, Akhtam. And what about the next one? But he hasn't had much time to what? To revise, Nursultan. Excellent. Good job. Daniela, you also correct. So he is worried that he might what? Nuraim, good job. Nursultan, yes, fail. Fail, you're right. So you have found most of the words correct, and let's move on to look at this gift pictures. Now, what happened? So you have to make a one sentence using the vocabulary which we have just taken. What happened? They are crying, yes? What has happened? They were expelled from school. Yes, they were expelled from school for bad behavior or for cheating in exam. Yes. Okay. Now, the next one. What happened? Guys, are you here? Simpson? Yes, this is Simpson family, but can you tell me? Yes, he cheated in exam. Memory. So think about the vocabulary which we have just taken. He did something bad and he is what? He was punished for bad behavior at school. Yes, Aktan. He was punished. Yes, we talk about the past. Yes, in the past he was punished. Okay, the next one. What is he doing? He is just writing. But you have to think about the vocabulary which we have just taken. He is passing an exam. But can we say passing an exam? He's taking an exam. Yes, Aktan was correct. Aktan, good job. Well done. Next. What is he doing or probably is she doing? Big Sultan. What is she doing? Revise. Yes, he is revising the material taken at school. So we don't know the sex of this baby. Yes, it could be a he or it could be a she. That's why he is revising the material taken at school. Okay. Next. So these two animals, strange animals, and one of them is hitting the second animal. For what? What happened? What did he do before? Okay, but did we learn the vocabulary about killing? No. So you have to think of the vocabulary which we have just taken. Guys, think. So what kind of words we have just learned? Is he punished? Killing the book. Okay. So let's take, this is a kind of animal, that's why we say it, yes? It failed an English exam. And probably its father or brother, I don't know, just punishing him and hitting it. Okay, next one. What happened or what has happened? Why is he so happy? He passed what? Just try to make a sentence. Passed what? Okay. He has just passed an exam. Yes. He got C and he has just passed an exam. Okay. Next one. What is he doing? You know this person, yes? He's a famous English actor. Funny actor. Yes, you're right. He's cheating in an exam. Yes, he's cheating in an exam. You're right. You're right. And can you tell me, do you also cheat during the exams at school? Or you never cheat? Okay. Yeah, guys, it's already time. Just don't forget to do your homework and send it to this email address, okay? And if you have questions concerning your workbook, please can you contact me via WhatsApp, and I will tell you, I will write you where to find or where to buy the workbook. Okay? So guys, do you also have some questions related to today's lesson? No? Was everything clear? Was everything clear? Okay, guys, so you have little time. Please write down your homework. Those people who didn't write their homework yet, please can you write it down? And don't forget to check